All right, boys. Good morning. What's going on? What is going on? Did we or did we not catch high of day? That shit was perfect. I explained the entire thing to you guys 2 days in a row, bro. The same exact thing. That was absolutely amazing. If you guys took that, bro, if you guys took that, you guys better fucking send me some gains, bro. You guys better send me some gains, bro. Nah. Did we not get? Who's we, bro? Who's we? Who the fuck is we? You might have gotten stopped out. Yeah, so we did end up catching high of day here. Was picture perfect high of day right there. I ended up closing it at the daily low. Obviously could have absolutely 100% held that all the way through as well. But yeah, where's Carlos? Yeah, bro, where's Carlos? I need to find Carlos and everybody else that was saying we were bullish yesterday, bro. You guys gotta learn, bro. There's something you guys will learn, bro. There's something you guys will learn, um, and that's to stop fading me. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, that was in fact the high of the day. Um, you know what I'm saying? That's just how we do it. That's like an average Tuesday, bro. Average Tuesday, really. That's what that is. Um, but yeah, bro. Full TP got smashed on that Asia trade. So, what the hell are we gonna do now? What the hell are we gonna do now, bro? No, bro. I just want that one kid to come. I just want that one kid to pull up here. I told him be here for New York. That he's not here. He's not here. Average YouTube chat shit talker. Um anyways, bro. What's my bias for today? Clearly we are very fucking bearish, bro. Very, very clearly we are bearish as shit. First area of interest that I would like to see is going to be 495. We still have about 60 points left to that. So 495 is going to be the first area of interest. That's this open 4-hour fair value gap. And then after that, down here, boys, down here, 24,242. 24,242, boys. That's where this shit is going. So it looks like it wants to put in a bearish weekly profile here. So today should be bearish and tomorrow will be bullish. All right. Today will be bearish, tomorrow will be bullish. That's what this weekly profile is going to be, right? It's going to be a what's it called? TGIF. TGIF. Yep, this is going to be 242, that'll be the low. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Now, as far as like placing a trade in here, it looks like we might have to wait a little bit because not exactly sure what this thing is going to do. I don't have any longs here. I don't plan on longing, guys, to be incredibly honest with you. I don't plan on it, but let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Let me cook. Give me a second, bro. Give me a fucking second. Let me cook. Give me a second. Bro, if you guys took that trade, though, and you banked, and you're not in premium, bro, you got some real issues, bruv. You got some real issues. If you took that and you banked and you are not in premium, bro, we got to figure something out with you. 495, right? So 495 was one of the levels. I don't have anything in that exact area actually, but I know that 4-hour gap is getting hit. That's like for a fact. For a bounce, 410.75. Even though the fire PO3 needs to manipulate. Only thing here is we have a lot of bearish momentum, enough to the point where I would think that this range has now been developed and this probably is not going to come back. Right? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Yesterday I was watching your live for the first time. I heard about midnight open manipulation, and if not, it's drawn liquidity. So today we didn't manipulate midnight. Why isn't it a drawn liquidity today? Good question. So all of these draw, like any draw on liquidity that I give you is always based on context of some sort. Okay. The thing here is that no audio. Shut up, bro. You guys can hear me, right? And yeah, okay. My mod's being a retard. Mod, you're about to be fired. Lasky, you're about to be fired. You're on your last. You're on strike like 3, bro. Actually, you're on strike 2. Whatever. Anyways, midnight. Look how aggressively we traded away from midnight. Like, look at how aggressively we traded away. So why would we at this point now make an entire reversal, which, by the way, from the low to the high, right? From the low to the high is 244 points. 244 points. Why would we now expect price to reverse all the way up like that with no significant news event? You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. So at this point, I would not expect it to come all the way back up into this area and midnight, and I would expect it to continue lower. Tomorrow is where we expect to have a bullish day, right? Because that's what the weekly profile favors. We have a Monday high of the week. Monday high of the week, right, which is a classic sell, is a TGIF weekly profile, which means Friday we would be bullish, right? If we're going to be bullish any day this week, we're going to be bullish on Friday. Okay. So, yeah. 5K last night. The trade, you said, yeah, bro, I had that trade too. I held it. I had it on 2 accounts. I held it to the daily low, which was the target that I gave to you guys. And then the other one I just held to previous day low and closed it in there. So absolutely fucking beautiful trade. That was a trade. That was a trade for the ages. Real trade for the ages, bro. Like that trade, bro. If you guys see somebody execute a trade like that live, bro, I'm telling you, there's no possible way that anybody on planet Earth can call them a scammer, bro. Like, please try to call me a scammer after I give out high or low of day multiple times, not just once, multiple times on live. On live. So yeah. Today open. No, bro. True day open. No, this is. I would not expect this to go back up now. I would not expect this to go back up now. Bro, I mean, people can call me a scammer all they want. My digital footprint of me calling high and low of day accurately here on live multiple times, more times than one, has been solidified for years and years to come, bro. That shit is never going away, bro. That is never going away. But bro, you guys better fucking be trade. Like, if you guys took this trade, you guys better drop this in the gains channel, bro. You guys better drop this shit in the gains channel in the Discord. How far do you think it's going down? Weekly gap, bro. Weekly gap. So that is right here, 242. 24, 242. That's where I think it goes down into. As far as an entry here, it'll be a little difficult. But we'll kind of see what this does. We'll see what happens here. What's your win rate in Asia? My win rate in Asia, it's not bad. It's pretty. I think it's my win rate in Asia is probably a little bit higher than win rate in New York. Asia though, on stream for Asia, we had like a few losses. I think like 3 losses in the last few streams, 3 or 4 losses. But we had this one trade that made up for every single loss. So let's say we were down $500 total. The first TP here on one mini was over $1,000. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, pretty fucking good. What does premium provide? Premium provides like the real sauce, bro. Like how I trade, the actual sauce. That's what premium provides. Research purposes entry bank the other day. Yeah, research purposes entry did fucking bank. That shit was absolutely fucking fire, bro. Me and Powell trade the same way. No, we do not trade the same way. Any limits right now? Nah, bro. We're just coming off of an absolute fucking banger of catching the high of day. So, no trades yet. Think we'd retrace into a 1 hour gap and dump? Yeah, we could. Up here, I don't think so. 15-minute better. 15-minute better. 6-fig P&L this month. Max payout soon, my boy. Bro, Subby, I cannot wait for that, bro. That's going to be so sick. What's up, G? I woke up to $500 with 1 micro from that trade. I love you, Harris, bro. That shit was fire. That shit was absolutely fire, bro. Could you tell me real quick what is 70 minus 3? Oh my god, Alpha 18, bro. It's 6-7, bro. It's 6-7. Even though your bias is bearish, would you ever take a long to catch a retracement? Fuck no. I would not. Ever. What are you looking for? Open to enter. Just PD raise since we're bearish. Something more A+. PD raise. Yeah, pretty much. NGL, I got all the sauce from the premium. Bro, the premium sauce is like the realest sauce that you could possibly get, bro. Same profile as yesterday. Would you expect us to trade back into midnight or just continue down? I would expect us to now continue down. We have too big of a range here to go back to midnight. So yeah, bro. You haven't answered a single question of mine in a few days. What the fuck? I didn't see your question. What do you mean? Bro, you see how fast the chat's moving? We still shorting? I'm in since yesterday's trade. Yeah. I'm still short bias, bro. I'm still short bias. 495 is the first TP here. 495.25. Everyone asking where is key, but never how is key. This is true. This is true. Looking for that 15-minute FVG on IQ to continue down. Where are we looking to bounce if we bounce? I mean, there's a few different places, but I like this 15-minute fair value gap for a short. Looks really good for a short. Kind of watch price and see what it does here, but I do like it for a short. Like 495.50. Could watch that. Not gonna take it yet. Kind of see how this goes first. We have another 15-minute gap slightly above as well. I would want it to reject from here. This one. No, not bullish yet. Not bullish yet. 540s was obvious. Some of you in the chat should have seen that too. Yeah. Yeah, this was like very, very obvious. 830 candles on, it's only like 40 points. Yeah, I mean it's not far. It could go up into data high. That would mean that we can get this upper 15-minute fair value gap. Give me bottom tick now or you're a scammer. Sizzy. This shit's gonna go lower, Sizzy. This is going lower, Sizzy. All right. How much longer is the no activation fees going on for TPT, guys? The 40% off and no activation fee promo for TPT ends at the end of this month. There's 5 days left for you guys to get accounts for TPT, using code key, of course. But yeah, 5 days left and the promo's over. I saw on TPT yesterday it said 50% consistency. That's for eval. That's not for funded. For eval only. That's why I said on eval you can only make $1,500 one day, $1,500 the second day, and then the 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, or 50 cents, whatever. I just joined these lives. I haven't joined since like July. For real? What is you doing, bro? Alpha. Oh yeah, Alpha. You were in the Discord, bro. You left like a piece of shit. Apex no consistency rule. Do eval. Apex on eval there is no consistency rule. On the funded there is. What's your bias for today, bullish? I'm bearish here today. I am bearish. So I would want this into either a little farther up into this gap or maybe the upper gap, and then a reversal back down from there. Do we have anything at this? Yeah, this upper one, there's a 15-minute and a 5-minute. When does this begin? 6:51, huh? 661.5. Also a good level up here. So I'll watch these two and see which one. Oh, upper one is also a 1 hour gap too. Yeah, we'll see what this thing does here. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely going to push up off the open. That would be like, it kind of has to push up off the open. And then lower from there. 495 is going to be the next area of interest. So previous day low is our first TP. We got that. It's actually, so our first TP was the current daily low. We ended up getting that there. The next TP was 683. We ended up getting 683. Then was previous day low. We got previous day low. Now it's 495 and 242. So if there's really no max cap and consistency, TPT is king. Yeah, and it's daily payouts too. So you can, there's literally somebody in the general chat yesterday took a trade, made 6K and requested the entire 6K and got it paid out the same day. Reversal higher, we dumped so much. That does not mean anything, bro. You sound like one of them RSI is oversold guys. Invalidation for the bearish bias, close above 795. At this point, invalidation of bearish bias would be a retracement. So for sure, a push and a close above this 1 hour gap. So an hourly closure above 668 would be number one. Yeah, that would be a first thing. That would mean that we are most likely coming up into this 4 hour high. If we flip the 4 hour red to green, right, or get close to flipping the 4 hour red to green, then it can absolutely continue up into the high day. But I don't think that that's happening. I think we got the high day move. We caught high day, and that's it. This shit's only gonna go lower now from here. I had 84.5 here as well. I just wanted above the yeah, I still think it could go there. 4 minutes here, guys. 4 minutes left until 9:30 open. If you below TPT funded, can you reset it? You can reset it. It's like $500 or $600 or something like that. But I wouldn't do that, bro. I would it's dumb. Personally wouldn't do it. Which firms have two-phase evals? Only Forex firms. All the futures firms are one step. That two-step bullshit, bro. That shit is retarded. Can I buy 5 more to have on back burner right now? Or nah, since I have 5 already active? You can buy 5 more to have on reserve. So that's the thing with TPT is once you get max allocation of 5 accounts, you're not limited to just that. You could go and buy even more and have them on reserve. If you end up blowing some of them, then you can have those reserve ones come in. So you can hold accounts in reserve too. Discount is for until the next 5 days, bro. It ends at the end of this month. So make sure you guys get your accounts. Also, I said this last night. I'll tell you guys again. You're automatically entered for a giveaway for a free account if you use code key between yesterday and the 30th, which is the end of this promo. You're automatically entered for a free TPT account. So if you bought one account, you get entered to win an additional free account. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. Just remember, only 10 funded accounts allowed in 30 days time. Well, I get 10 from Apex to give out, and then I get I think 10 from TPT. So all total, it'll be 20 accounts that I can give out to you guys every month. What's up, Key? Joining the live from CA. Yo, Scott Taylor. Scott Taylor. Did you lock in with that trade last night? I didn't see you here in Asia, so I hope you locked in. Does reserve account need pay monthly eval fee? I'm not 100% sure, bro. I've never had an eval for that long, so it does not count for Apex. Only TPT. Only TPT. It needs to be all caps. It does need to be all caps. This is true. You can't pass eval on those 5 unless you blow the other 5 correct. No, you could pass them. You could pass them and have them in reserve. Locked in 1300. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yes. You use Apex 50Ks. I use Apex 150s. These TPT accounts, almost 1,000. These are only actually, they're only $400 away from being passed. The last account was about $2,000 that I made. Hi there. First time the channel caught your stream this morning, just watched. Hello. Is there a reason for what for the 150? I just like it. I like 150 a lot. Just saw the 595. Yeah, I'm not taking the 595. I'm just watching for now. 595 is pretty good though. It looks really good. Let's see. We have 1 second here until the open, and we push up into one of my levels. What's up from Finland? Damn, Finland, bro. You're deep city. Yo, what time is it in Finland right now? One of my accounts is floating 15K. Bro, let's fucking go. Did you catch the top yesterday? We did. We had a high of day. Never mind. The shit's going straight lower. Hello from Tunisia. Denmark. 4:30 p.m. Okay, that kind of sucks, bro. Midday market open. Kind of sucks. I missed the top tick in Asia. I woke up and saw the craziest call this century. GG's, bro. Yeah, that was a pretty good call, bro. Not the craziest. I mean, let's be real here, bro. That's like kind of regular schmegular for us, bro. It's not the first time we've caught a high or low a day, and that definitely will not be the last time we catch high or low a day. Where's the guy from last night that said we were bullish? Yeah, bro. He's not gonna show up, bro. I hope you guys know this. He's not gonna show up. I told him to show up, but he didn't show up. Mm -hmm. Your plan for today? We're going lower into 495. That's where this thing's going first. I use code key and 3 Latina baddies DM me the same night. Code key effect, bro. That's the code key effect. Even though you have a girl, Will, the Latina baddies will still come. So you can like pick and choose, you know? If y'all don't buy TPT with code key, you might be mentally challenged. Literally free money paired with the premium Discord. This is true. This is true. Bro, no rock on. Where are, bro? What are you talking about, bro? Your comment was retarded. I already know we're gonna do that. I explained my daily plan like 15 minutes ago. Will you take a trade today? I mean, I'm not pressed to take a trade because I caught high day in Asia, and so did like most people in here. If you're one of those people that didn't, well, you need to do better and clock in for the Asia streams. That's the bottom line here. That's the bottom line. Buy limit at 495, bro. Some of you guys, bro, I swear to God, I don't know how you've survived this long on Earth. I just said TP is 495, right? That's where I said. Like that's where price is going next. I was trying to join the premium last night because it was 380. Now it's up to 549. Bro, it's only 549 because you're trying to Apple Pay it, bro. Do not Apple Pay that shit. Because App Store charges 30%. That's App Store trying to be mad Jewish. That's not me, bro. I'm not charging 549. Go and do it on desktop. Do not do it with Apple Pay. If you're gonna try to join. I heard the call during Asia and didn't stay in it overnight. I'm sick. Yeah, bro, come on. Most people would have closed the trade. I mean, that's on you guys, bro. Like, I'm not here to hold your hand through a trade. I was giving my real-time thoughts on the trade. I also said that I'm staying in it regardless. So that's your call to make, bro, not mine. Can you drop breakdown videos? All the breakdown videos, bro. So for some trades, I drop the breakdown videos here, but for most of the trades, like for every single trade I take, the full breakdowns I drop in the what's it called? The full breakdowns I drop in my premium Discord. Yeah, big push lower here. Is 242 the draw weekly low to complete market maker sell model? 242, yes, exactly. 242 is the overall draw for like higher time frame, 4-hour market maker sell model. This is correct. That was some sick call last night. I got in at 876 and held for 4 hours before TP hit. Yeah, bro, that was fire. Very fire. Y'all like up the stream, bro? Yeah, you guys better like up the stream, bro. You guys better like up this stream for getting high a day. Oh my god, Bean, bro. Bro, let's fucking go. Shout out to my boy Bean, bro. Just got paid out. Request payout for $10,000, bro. 10 fucking thousand, bro. Shout out to my boy, bro. This is so sick. This is so sick. By the way, for everybody who says Apex is a scam and doesn't pay out, EMD, bro, EMD. Anyways, that shit is fire, bro. Shout out to Bean for $10,000 fucking payout, bro. So sick. So fucking sick. Guys, almost 495 now. We're only 5 points away here. This is the first, and then we're going straight into 242 after that, bro. 242 after that. Boom. 495 hit. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. 495 smacked. W Bean? Yeah, bro. W fucking Bean. Purchase your premium membership on 10th September. I canceled it. Can I get a refund? Probably not. You're like past the refund period. It's 7 days for refund. Pass my evals. Thanks for topping it, bro. Perry. My boy Perry, bro, still kicking. This is why you all need premium. Yeah, this is true, bro. This is very true. Is Keyflow blind? I've asked for the indicators like 5 times already. You know what? Just because you were a dickhead, I'm no longer gonna give them to you. I would have. I just probably didn't see your message, but now I'm not gonna give them to you. So eat a dick. Book 1700. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Rahul. Can you pass TPT in one day? You cannot, bro. You cannot. So for understanding, I'm able to get in the second phase of TPT account in one trade. And also in the second phase, one trade. What do you mean second phase? It's just like funded. Either it's eval or funded, bro. Eval or funded. Those are the only two. There's no like two-phase eval or whatever. Unless you're actually talking about the funded portion as the second phase. What a sick short. It was a fucking fire short, bruv. Yeah, 495. I have a level here at 410.75. Bullish level. Not gonna long. Absolutely no longs here for me today. Longs are fully off the table. But I will be watching this area for a potential retracement and then we could, you know, catch a short. So like retracement here, wherever it ends up retracing to, and then we catch a short and then back down. This looks like a Chinese symbol. What the fuck? Anyways, yeah. Would you take profits from yesterday's trade? Previous day low, bro. Previous day low. Low-key folded because I could have just held it. It's still going. This needs to come back to 595. Yeah, it's not going to 595 anymore. Yoki, I fucking love you, bro. I made $1,500 on my Topstep XFA from the shorts in Asia. You're the goat. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, all I ask when you guys get paid out or when you guys like make a bunch of money, bro, just tag me in the thing, bro. Send it to me, tag me, drop it in the gains channel in Discord. Yeah. This shit is pushing. I'm up 26K. Bro, let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. I'm down 1,300. Skill issue, bro. Skill issue. Hella people thought in Discord was saying Topstep blew through their SLs. I'm telling you, bro, Topstep is shit. I keep saying it, bro. People don't listen. Topstep is dog shit. If you want the Topstep alternative, go to Alpha. Literally, very simple. Go to Alpha. I will probably drop some breakdowns on the weekends. Don't worry, bro. This trade, my breakdown for this is gonna be in the premium. Just sold QQQ puts for 50% easy bread. You could have held those, bro. Keep holding. How do you wake up energized? You ain't tired from streaming back to back. I'm fine right now, bro. One day I might need to like start doing some coke or something, dude. This shit will go up to all-time high today, mark my words. You're cooked. Have you requested a payout from Apex? I have, yeah. I top tick your level. I know, bro. So did everybody else. Congrats, brother. That shit was cooking. Almost 410.75. Almost 410.75, guys. This is just a fucking free fall, bro, from that exact high day. Absolute free fall. Where the fuck we going? 410.75 and then 242. The rules on Apex is so hard to understand with the 30% rule. Okay, please tell me what is difficult about the 30% rule, and I'll explain it to you. I'm matching the same bias as you. I learn it all from breakdowns only, so you can... All right, yeah, I got you, bro. I will upload some. Same trade I took in Dow Jones, another grand booked. Hell yeah, bro. People trade the Dow Jones. Basic maths. Yeah, I mean it is. You just, bro, you the biggest thing that you want to do, like the main thing you want to do is just go to so you have to figure out what your maximum payout is, okay? So let's say your maximum payout is $2,000. And this is the same with any firm with a consistency rule. Let's say that your max payout is $2,000. All you want to do is do $2,000 times 30%, right? $2,000 times 30%. And that's what you want to make per day. This or under. If you could do that, you're good. $600, right? If you could do that, you will absolutely get a payout. You'll get your maximum payout of $2,000. I promise you, you'll get it. That's the consistency rule. That's all it is, bro. That's literally all it is. It's quick maths, bro. Bias on today, I just joined. Lower, bro. Lower, lower, lower. Can I request a payout from Apex without building a buffer? Nope, you have to build a buffer. Or you have to get past the buffer period at least. Like on a 50K, that's 52.6. Once you get past that, then you can request. Can you explain the minus 30? You just can't lose over 30% of your profits in one trade. That's it. So if you trade the way I do, it's impossible because you're capped at $200 on the loss. So are you a trader? Are you waiting? I mean, bro, here I don't really care to place much of a trade because we had shorts from Asia highs, right? Like we have high day shorts. I closed in my previous day low. I'm big green. I'm not like looking for a trade. I'm here more for entertainment than anything else. But I'll watch this and see like if there's something that pops up. We might actually get in a trade here as a retracement. We might get a trade in here. I do want it to go a little bit higher. We have this immediate 1 minute gap, right? This immediate 1 minute gap could be good. I wouldn't take it like off the lows here inside of this 1 minute gap. Personally, would not take the trade there, right? I would love if we could get a bit of a retracement, maybe up to one of these 5 minute gaps, this middle 5 minute gap. If we could get up to that, I think that looks really good. The middle 5 minute, that does look really fucking fire. But it's super bearish right now, so it absolutely could reject from like this current 1 minute. Absolutely 100% could do that. So we'll see what this does. Can you withdraw that amount? So you have 51. No. Anything over 52.6. So you could do like 53K request, but at that point you're leaving yourself like not much of a buffer, right? You wanna like leave somewhat of a buffer for yourself. Final TP is 242, guys. My final TP is down here at 242, bruvs. Final TP is at 242. We think a daily wick CE. I don't really care for it. We're going to weekly. We're going to weekly. I want it at the lows, bro. I want it to the low. To be very honest with you. Explain why we don't like Topstep. Bro, did it not just blow through a bunch of people's stop losses this morning? Topstep is dog shit, bro. The platform sucks. Really fucking horrible platform. Topstep X, the Project X platform, disgusting. I don't do anything unless it's on Trade-of-8, bro. Trade-of-8 is the only fucking brokerage that has never given me bullshit problems or issues or anything like that. Trade-of-8 is really goated. They have only Topstep X. That's why I said Topstep's ass now. Like, if the platform wasn't so damn buggy, it might be half decent, but it's a piece of shit, bro. Absolute piece of shit. What advice can you give us to help to be able to identify daily targets and being able to identify direction of the market on a daily basis? I mean, I come on here and I give you guys my bias and I give you guys reasoning and all that, and I do it live, hoping that you guys can learn from the way that I form a bias, right? Like up here, why was I short? You get what I'm saying? Like, why was I short the exact reason why I was short. Whether it was this low resistance liquidity that was built up, whether it was the daily PO3, whether it was the 5-minute fair value gap, whatever the case might be. Why was I short here? Like the bias that you guys get to see in real time. That's why I go live, right? So you guys can see that happen in real time. Not only do you get to see it in real time, but you also get to see it, obviously, like the videos that I've made in the past. Day 8 of the 30-day course is on daily bias. So you guys can watch that. That'll give you a really good idea of how I formulate my daily bias. Also, if you're not already in the free Discord, I do a weekly outlook every single week. I just did a weekly outlook update on Wednesday, and I literally told them the exact same thing. For people who are in the weekly outlook on Wednesday, the outlook update, I literally said weekly fair value gap is where this thing is going now, right? Very bearish. We are in this 5-minute gap. Let's see what it does inside of here. We shall see. Yeah, everybody like up the stream, bro. Everybody like up the stream. He does it live to go. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying, bro, is I can give you guys, whatever information you guys need to like, be profitable, whatever the case might be. I can upload hundreds of videos. I can give you guys thousands of trade recaps. I can give you all of it. There is nothing like watching it being executed in real time. I feel like you guys will learn infinitely more from watching it happen in real time rather than a hindsight video that I upload of some sort, right? So that's why I go live, so you guys can see this shit happen in real time. So it's not just an idea from a video you watched. It's me literally showing it to you in real time. I talk about 4-hour PO3 all the time, right? I talk about the PO3 in general all the time. That's the model that I trade. You guys have seen the PO3 play out on the 4-hour, on the daily, on the weekly, live here with me. How many times? You know what I mean? Bro, there's not a lot of people that are built for live, bro. There's just not a lot of people that are built for live. It's simple. There's some people that can do it live, and there's some people that can't. You get what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? Like, I'm one of the few. I've always enjoyed doing it live, right? Like, I genuinely enjoy doing this shit live. Other people, they're just not built for it, bro. For various reasons, but kind of just how it is. Settings for auto FVG indicator. It's literally just the F indicator. That's it. I don't have any settings. I haven't modified it in any way. Yeah, we did reject this 5-minute gap. This was weird. I would have expected it got so close. I would have expected it to actually come up into this upper gap, but it didn't. So that's a little bit weird. That kind of is fucking weird, but whatever. Still working. No SMT here inside of these legs. SMT is kind of not here. When will Apex do 80% again? Typically, how often do they? They do discounts pretty often. I don't know if it'll be 80%, but they do them pretty often. Would you say the 4-hour candle we're in already put in an upper wick? Yes. Yes, I would. 10 a.m. is about to open, and then 10 a.m.'s got to do the same thing. So let's see what 10 a.m. does. Not able to join free Discord. Why? Do you combine gaps when they're back to back? No, I do not. What do you think of Alpha Futures? Alpha Futures is a good firm. I literally tell everybody that likes Topstep, that doesn't want to deal with Topstep's bullshit, is to use Alpha Futures using code key, of course. But Alpha Futures is Topstep alternative. That's like a really good firm. I like Alpha. Um, I'm currently using TPT and Apex. That's my current prop layout. But yeah. Shorts at first presentation. I mean, sure, if you want. I'm not taking shorts at first presentation. I'm waiting for this 10 a.m. to open up here. Four more minutes. I have a nice testimonial on my post after this trade. You're a boss, bro. I look forward to seeing it, bro. I look forward to seeing that. Your region? What region are you in? Do you think this 4-hour candle will push up higher into the upper 5-minute gap? One can hope. One can hope. Yeah, I think it could go into a 5-minute gap. I don't really have anything inside of that 5-minute gap, but we'll see. We're gonna have a 15-minute as well, so we'll have both 5-minute and 15-minute. See what it does. How can I get real-time data on NQ? You have to buy the CME thing. I joined, but it's loading. I can not join your Discord. Try it on a different browser. Like, try it on a different device or browser. Not able to join in India. Yeah, it might be like that's a WAP thing. That's not my thing. I have no idea why. I I have no fucking clue. Link for free Discord. Do exclamation mark Discord command in the chat. It'll drop the link for the free. Use VPN. Yeah, there you go. That's a way to get around it. You can use a VPN. Delete the WAP app, use the web instead, and it worked. There you go. There you go. What's your next entry? I don't know yet, bro. I'm kind of just like chilling here. Not really looking to do much. Yeah, I'm up 1K. Let's go, bro. Hell yeah. I was gonna short 455. Didn't think it was gonna keep dumping. No. It's gonna continue dumping, bro. This shit is absolutely gonna continue dumping. I text you. I'm up on Insta. Yeah, if you guys are up, nice, bro. Show me on just DM me on Instagram or put it in the games channel on Discord. If someone hold a top tick trade, it'll be a 41 RR. Yeah, bro. That if somebody held that, that shit is, yeah, that's it, bro. Discord URL, it's discord.gg/Cobra Trading LLC. Anybody can join the Discord. Free. All right, here's 10 a.m. guys. Here's 10 a.m. Asia tonight. Yeah, Asia tonight. Yes. Asia tonight, and tonight Asia, we catch low of day and we ride that shit all the way up. That's what we're going to do tonight's Asia. So, you guys better be there. That would be actually insane if we caught high a day today in Asia, and then tomorrow we catch low a day, bruv. That would be phenomenal. I hope you trade Asia forever, bro. Bro, I'm 100% gonna be trading Asia forever. I'm one of the only ones who trades Asia live. I'm gonna ride you, Key. What? Are you gonna be at the warehouse tonight? If my GT3 is done. It's also raining, bro. It's fucking raining all day, which is so annoying and ass. How'd the Asia trade from 787 to 452? Oh my god, bro. That was a banger, bro. Drop that shit in the fucking games channel right now. If you didn't already. Yeah, we gotta mark that level out, bro, because that was a generational level, bro. You feel what I'm saying? This level right here that we had in Asia, actual generational level. That shit was so fucking fire. So fucking fire. No one give this much RR in live. This is true. Name one other person that gives this much RR in live. There's not one, bro. There's actually not one. I just recently tapped in with you and your concepts changed my trading for the better. Much appreciated, bro. You gave me hope. I appreciate you, bro. And I wish you the best of luck in your trading. Send me a link to the Discord. It's in the bio, bro. It's the first link in the bio. Caught the same Asia trade by myself. I'm proud of, bro. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah, bro. I love that. It's gas. Love to see it. What indicators are you using? Right here, bro. These are the indicators. I'm not gonna lie, you're super tough. I've learned OD in the last 2 days. I've been watching you. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, bro. Of course. Of course, bro. Of course. Are you thinking that gurus are really come to live trade for free like you? Most of them don't, bro. Most of them don't. Majority of guys can't really live trade because majority of them are scammers. Just blew my TPT ev out, bro. If you're blowing evals right now, you can't be helped, bro, unfortunately. Potential sleep without wick into. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna enter here. I don't have a level here. I'm not gonna enter, but I'm gonna watch this 15-minute gap. I would be down on entering on like a Wixie. This is gonna go lower, by the way, guys. This 10 a.m. This 10 a.m. is absolutely going lower. This is gonna take this low. So for sure, only shorts. I would not be trying to fucking long this. This is going lower. 100% going lower. What's the difference between premium and YT lives? I do lives in here, and then premium gets all the trade recaps. Premium gets both courses. So I have 2 courses. They get both of the courses, and the second course is like the way that I actually trade the entire strategy. They get all trade recaps. They get weekly outlooks, weekly outlook updates. They get They get to see me naked. Yeah, they do get to see me naked. They get what else do they get? They get trades like on and off the stream. Like basically whatever trade idea that I have on or off stream gets put in there too. Are your indicators in the premium Discord info? What do you mean? I give you the indicators right here, bro. They're literally right here. These are all free indicators. You can go and add any one of these right now. They're random free indicators. You also do daily recaps? Yeah, bro. I do a trade recap for every single day that I take a trade. I do a trade recap. That's all in Discord. It's second course about top and bottom tick. Yeah, it is. Only thing about Apex that I don't understand is the 30%. I explained that less than like 15 minutes ago. Do it on YouTube also? Nah, bro. Defo not. You guys get a lot here, bro, already. Between the live trades and the stuff I've explained already. I'm in on this 15-minute FVG. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I'm telling you, at some point, this is going to reject and come down, right? It's just a matter of, like, where is it going to do so? The only thing. I'm getting railed hard. Yeah, just wait, bro. Just wait. Just wait it out. Don't be doing too much. Just wait. Do you stack 50s or 150s with Apex and TPT? I have 50s on TPT because they're so fucking cheap. They're $100. And on Apex, I have 150s. Why do you think it'll reject and come down? Same reason why I knew it was going to reject here, too. This PO3, bro. 4-hour PO3. Contest to win free premium on who can catch this retrace level down? No, bro, because people are going to be blowing accounts trying to do that. So, fuck no. Activation fees with TPT. 0 activation fees if you use code key, guys. 0 activation fees. If you don't use code key, you're going to get charged an activation fee, just so you know. So use code key so you have no, you have 40% off, no activation fee. It's $102 all in for a 50K account. TPT is take profit trader, bro. Take profit trader. Yeah, here, Sesame. Here's the indicators right here. Just take a screenshot, bro. There. Take a quick screenshot. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna name my first kid use code key. That would actually be so fire. That'd be sick, bro. If you name your kid, if you name your kid use code key. Does gold and NQ or ES correlated assets? Gold is not. NQ and ES are correlated. $102 a month or one time. It's one-time payment, bro. One-time payment of 102 measly dollars, bro. $100 if I pass my eval, I have a funded account. This is correct. Yes, this is correct. How would you start scaling in futures? I'm coming from CFDs. You should go all in on futures like immediately because CFDs are fucking horrible. Like legitimately fucking horrible. What do you have marked at 410? It was a bullish level that I had that where price could like potentially retrace from, which we are retracing, but it didn't get to 410. It's just a matter of where this is now like going to reject. That's the fact of the matter here that we got to look into. Where is it going to reject? Where is Batman? So I like If it goes all the way up there, I like 647. Oh my God. 6.7. I like 647. This is an hourly gap, by the way. Hourly fair value gap here at 647. I do like that. I'm a fan. This 15-minute, it already delivered a new low, so I'm not like the biggest fan of this. Maybe 82 rejects. Maybe. Right? 82 could be decent. So we could watch 82 here. 82 and then 647. These are the two levels that I like up here. See if I can, you know, find something in here. And that account's only $200 from being passed. I'm only gonna take this on one of the TPT accounts. If I do take it, I'm only gonna take it on one of the two. Let's see. Yeah, hourly FVG, upper level, and then this is the 15-minute. You're a beast, Key. Just bought a TPT account. I will just take the trades you take. You should be fine. These accounts are almost passed. They're $200 to $500 from being passed. There's that 82 level getting hit right there. So for 82, I would have a 10-point stop. You kind of have to. Kind of have to have a 10-point stop. Watch this 82 here. I'm not taking 82, just watching. Just watching 82. Not taking it, just watching. If you want to be risk on, you can take it. But I'm just going to observe. It would be a 16 RR to the low. 15 minutes, got 3 minutes left to close. Are you going up or down? Huh? Can you spot me in eval? No, bro. What do you mean? I can't just spot you in eval. Yeah, this definitely goes lower. It's just a matter of where it goes lower from. Like Danny trade, bro. I don't even want it. I don't even gotta know, bro. Like, I know Danny trades is cooked. That guy is actually cooked beyond measure, bro. Such an idiot. I love your chart layout. Thanks, bro. Kind of hands off for now. Large move already. Yeah, that's the thing. Large moves have already been made, and we caught the entire move. So that's why, like, catching another trade here, I'm kind of hesitant because it needs to be absolutely perfect. Otherwise, it doesn't make much sense, right? I'm already green as shit on the day. So is everybody else here that took our top tick from Asia. So, like, there's no sense in trying to force another trade here. Just so you guys know, for anybody in here right now, if you took that Asia trade and you're up nice on the day, you better lock out. Don't go trying to take another trade. Lock out. Don't take another trade. All right. If you took the Asia trade, if you didn't take the Asia trade, I'm giving you guys multiple different trade ideas here. And you know, you could either do that or you could just not take a trade. I don't know. That's your call to make, because the fact that we have made a big move here today is very, very true. Doesn't mean it's not going to continue, but it just means probabilities are like not in your favor as much as they were before the move was made. I will be live for Asia tonight. So last Asia we caught high a day. This next Asia, the hope is to catch low a day. Key music. Bro, I don't really do music in the morning. You guys want to hear music? Let me know. You guys want to hear music? This is the 4-hour indicator, by the way. Yes, I'm going live for Asia. Yes. What if it just keeps pushing higher? It probably doesn't. It probably does not. But if it does, it does. Throw on some Chris Luno. No music. Why you left your old chart candles? Just to switch it up, bro. Sometimes you get bored. You know what I mean? Yes, music. Yes, music. All right, so everybody's no music. No music or no music, bro? What are we doing here? I'll let you guys decide, bro. I'll let you guys pick what you want. You know what I'll do? I'll create a poll. How do I create a poll? Start a poll. Music. All right, there you go. Go vote, guys. Go vote. Go vote for that shit. Apex dropped another 90% off. Go cop using code key. Really? No. No, it's not 90% off. It's $85 lifetime PA fees right now. So it's 80 it's what? By the way, this didn't end up working out. So the upper level 647, that's where I would watch. Anyways, can the poll like get away from me? Come on, bro. Come on. Oh my god, this poll's cooking me, bro. How do I end the poll? I'm ending the poll. Damn, that was really even, but most people said no. So no music, guys, no music. Anyways, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Are you still short when you're? I'm not in a trade at all, bro. I closed my trade at previous day low from the high day. I'm still short bias. Yes, I'm still short bias. A lot of Muslims here playing a sheed. Huge V-shaped recovery. Buy still short, still new. Yeah, I would still have a short bias until and unless, like I said, this was something I was explaining earlier. If we inverse through this hourly fair value gap here, then I would go long bias. But until this hourly gets inversed, I would be still short. I would still be short. All right. So again, if we inverse this, we go up. If we don't inverse it and reject this 647 level, we go down. I'm not Indian, bro. I'm not Indian, bro. Please stop asking me if I'm Indian, bro. Please, for the love of God. How was trade last night? It was the high day. This was our trade from last night. It was indeed high day, as you guys can see right there. $85 lifetime fee now available. Use key. Yeah. For all those people who are complaining about like expensive ass Apex PA fees, PA is funded, by the way, like the activation fee. It's only $85 if you use code key now. So lock in, bro. Lock in. Code key. Yep. Apex sale on lifetimes. Are you a practicing Muslim? Yeah, bro. What do you think? I'm fake Muslim? I'm not Hispanic. I don't even look Hispanic, bro. How'd you know I Dominican, Pavi? Nah, I don't even look uh Hispanic of any sort, I don't think. Do I? Yeah, do I look Hispanic? You look Dominican? Bro. Come on, bro. I do not look Dominican. Or Puerto Rican. I do not look Dominican or Puerto Rican. I'm not Indian, bro. What's wrong with you? Stop saying that. I'm gonna mute you, bro. All right. I'm starting to hand out mutes now. It's over. It's over. Leave tempo alone. Wacko, you're getting muted, bro. Yo, Wacko, I'm giving you a 10-second mute to think about your rage baiting comments, okay? There you go. Are you Somali? Yeah, bro. Yes. You got it, bro. I am Somali, bro. You got it. I I am Somali, yes, bro. Yes. Apex promo. Apex promo right now using code key. It's 80% off and $85 activations. $85 activations with 80% off, bro. You're the captain now. I can't tell if he's joking or not, bro. What do you? Okay, hold on, bro. Okay, I'm gonna search up average Somali man, okay? This is not me, by the way. This is the average Somali man according to Google, all right? Does this look like me, bro? Please. Please, bro. Does this look anything like me? Show your forehead, bro. Here, bro. There's my forehead, bro. I'm chilling. I'm good. You said yes? Yo, everybody that said yes, mods, ban them all permanently now, bro. Everybody that said yes, ban them all permanently. Why did you pull up Raul? I'm kidding, mods. Don't ban them, because my mods really be on timing, bro. They're like they got the trigger finger on mute, bro. I'm mods. I'm kidding. Dude started showing selfies. Someone said you look like Lambo Raul. I do not look like Raul, bro. I look nothing like Raul. Raul is a thug, bro. Raul is a thug. A tatted up thug. Are mods real people or no, mods are all robots. Mods are all the new Tesla AI robot. That's what the mods are. So I bought like 5 of those robots and I made them mod in here in the chat. He's Afghan. I'm not Afghan, bro. Would you still take 647? I'm gonna watch it, bro. I'm not taking these. I'm just watching. I have it marked out. I'm watching it. I'll see how it goes. So this one, if I was to take it, it would also be with a 10-point stop loss. Right now, price is kind of like aggressively pushing higher. So what I would do here in this case, instead of just limiting random areas over and over and over again until you finally blow your account, is I would wait for a confirmation, right? So under normal circumstances, this 647 level would actually be pretty fire. But due to the fact that we're having this like big V-shaped recovery, I would wait for a confirmation, which essentially here would be like wick CE, right? Because we have an hourly gap. So it'd be like a wick CE that we could get and then you know, go based off of that. Also on top of that, there may not be any SMT here because ES and NQ, I think, might push into this hourly gap at the same time. So if there's no SMT, then I most likely will not be taking this trade either. But 647 to the lows is a 22R. So if you wanted to risk it, 1 con, 10 points, you could do it. 22R, not fucking bad at all. But I'm not going to limit this. I'm not going to limit this. I'm like, bro, you guys got to understand, I'm very, very satisfied with my day here today, bro. We caught the Asia high of day. So this shit, like, I'm not here to force a trade or try to take a trade. I'm here to, you know, potentially, um, you know, wait, what? Chat, I'm doing one Apex account giveaway right now. I'm gonna drop an Apex code. This code gives you a discount in the chat. All right, Zaid, do it. Drop do your giveaway, Zaid. Let's see what you got. Just passed my 150k eval. Let's go. Go. Took 2 losses going short, -2R. Bro, that's why I'm telling you. Just be careful. Just wait. You left your Asia trade running overnight. Yeah, I just had a TP at previous day low on one account. The other 2, I closed at the daily low. I updated you guys in the, actually you're not in the premium, but I updated premium with what I was doing. How did you manage the prayers in live ongoing? Huh? What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about, man? Does Take Profit Trader work in East Africa? Or can you talk to them, see if they operate to buy account? I don't know if they, but they would not let you buy an account if it didn't work there. So if it doesn't let you buy an account, chances are it doesn't work there. How do you mark the 47 level? 47 level is this hourly fair value gap, guys. The hourly fair value gap. 15-minute FVG in there. Yeah, 15-minute FVG is like right there, bro. Literally right there. Literally. How much did you profit off that Asia short last night? 2 accounts almost passed, and then 1 account, $2,000 in profit. Oh shit, Zayd just dropped the code. HS3NYL43. Who gets it, bro? Zayd just dropped the code, bro. Actually, what a goat. I'll put it up here. Yo, this is the code for a free Apex account, guys, right here. Who got it? Who actually got it? Like, who actually put it in and claimed it? I just bought TPT account. My rules are to trade 5 days, and biggest trade cannot be greater than 50%. No, bro, that's just for eval. So for eval, it's 5 days. You pass it the same way that you pass Topstep. 1,500 one day, 1,500 the next day, and then make 50 cents, like in and out on a what's it called? A micro. You get what I'm saying? And that's it. Pretty simple. I might write an apology letter to Apex. I got it. All right, somebody got it, bro. Somebody got it. Wait, why are multiple people saying they got it? The girl responded to my DM, bro. What girl? Wait, why is everybody saying they got it, bro? What? Did multiple people actually get it? No way. Yo, keep doing it then. If you didn't put this in yet, then keep doing it because multiple people are doing it. Your TPT code not working for me. It's key in all caps, bro. KEY in all caps. Your girl, bro, saying what? Sizzy with the 133% on calls, bro. Locked. Locked. My chat, bro. One more code, please. Does it not work anymore? Dude, I think like 10 people just claimed this code, bro. That's actually insane. Edging that 647 level, bro. Edging the 647 level. How come I can't make donations? Probably because they're turned off. Why would you want to donate? Don't make a fucking donation. What the hell am I gonna do with a donation, bro? Don't do that. Just use code key, bro. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Does code work for reactivation? What is a reactivation, bro? What? One more Apex code, be ready. If the stream gets 300 likes, I'll drop it. Bro, 300 likes on the stream for another Apex code, guys. The Apex code, like, fucking 40 people are claiming it. I'm up 35-40 on this eval today. Let's fucking go, bro. Key, where do I put in the code? What code? Like, my code for key on TPT? Yo, guys, get this shit to 300 likes right now, guys. We are 233. We need 60 more. We need 60 more likes. Like up the stream. There's going to be another account giveaway right here, bro. It's under the coupon code, bro, when you're signing up. What does the code give us? The code is a free account. Any size of your choice. Free account for Apex. It's not even me giving it out, bro. It's Zaid. Zaid, my goat, bro. He's giving it out. Guys, we're at 270. 30 more likes. 30 more likes for a free account giveaway, bro. 30 more likes. Lock in, lock in. Everybody like the stream, bro. We're at 274. We got 20 more likes to go, bro. 20 more likes to go. And, oh, there we go. Wait, 297. 302, guys. 300. There you go, Zaid. There's the account, bro. There's the code right there. There's the code right there. Here, I'm gonna put it up too. BW77YVA5. There you go. There's the code right there. Doesn't work. Probably because somebody got it, bro. Wait, why are multiple people saying they got this one too? Got it? Damn. Check general. There's nothing in general. What are you talking about? No coupons found. Coupon usage limit exceeded. Yeah, coupon usage limit exceeded means that it somebody claimed it already. So rip. I'm gonna start drop shipping. This is making me mad, bro. You're cooked. That's actually fully cooked, bro. Fully cooked. Another code. Oh, bro, I'm already giving away so many accounts. I already gave away 15 Apex accounts, which I still have to give them the codes for. I have all the codes. I have to give them the codes. I forgot to last night. I have 15 Apex accounts to give away. I have fucking 15 TPT accounts to give away for at the end of this month. He said, fuck it, I'll do one more 500 likes. Oh my God, Zaid is my GOAT, bro. Zaid is my GOAT. I don't know how he's getting these, bro. This guy's actually mad mysterious, but Zaid's gonna do one more at 500 likes. There's 650 people in here. You guys could get 500 likes, bro. We're at 312. You know what, bro? If we get to 500 likes, I'll give one too. So 2 accounts I'll give away. We'll give away. I don't know how bro is getting the codes, bro. I really don't, bro. He's actually like hella mysterious for that. Bro, I was going to last night, Darcy. I swear to God, I was going to give it last night, but I was so fucking tired and I was monitoring the trade, so I forgot. but I'm gonna do it today. As soon as the stream ends, I'm gonna do it today, bro. I have all the codes. I just gotta send them. I need Apex. Yeah, this is Apex, bro. Apex. Zaid's giving one, and I'm giving one at 500 likes. At 500 likes. I missed it. Did bro win? Did who win? 50K account? No, it's any size account. It's for any account size, bro. Any account size. It's not for a specific account. How to use the codes? When you go to buy an account, you just put it in coupon codes. I don't know what an Apex. I don't know what is Apex. I'm excited. All right, bet. You have to pay the activation fee. You do have to pay activation fee. No TPT account. TPT accounts, I'm giving away 15 of them for people who use code key between yesterday and the end of the month. So the 30th. Up till the 30th, if you use code key on TPT and get your accounts for 40% off with no activation, you're automatically entered to win accounts. It's 15 fucking accounts I'm giving away on TPT. We have SMT with the... Bro, you did not need to spam that, bro. I see the SMT, but the level hasn't gotten hit. Bro, okay, I'm muting you now. Because why the fuck are you spamming? I could see the SMT, bro. Littlest of bros is mad as fuck next to me. Is he actually? Yo, Verona, I'm banning you, bro. I've had enough of you, bro. It's over for you. I'm banning you. You're cooked. You're a fucking idiot. Why are we not considering 15-minute FVG? This trade is in the 15-minute FVG too. Like the stop loss is within the FVG. I thought 10 a.m. was supposed to go lower. What happened? I would still think that it goes lower. We don't have a manipulation wick here on the 4-hour. So I do still think it goes lower. Would you still enter even though there are two huge bullish FVGs? I'm not taking this, bro. I'm most likely not taking it. I'm just watching it. Do you praise Allah, bro? Yeah, of course. I do. How can I get to participate in the free account? Bro, there's like fucking 20 people giving away the free account in the chat right now. Tell Mr. BBS on the wrist he's not a genius anymore. Failed intakes installed. Damn, bro. Damn. Here, 500 likes. Yeah, we're only at 367, bro. Zaid said he was going to drop it at 500 likes, bro. You guys are not getting to 500, bro. I don't know what you guys are doing. QT Blazy is just dropping random codes right now, too. Lost my account, guys, fighting with Topstep. What happened, bro? Tell me your experience. Tell me your experience, bro. Topstep is such a piece of shit, bro. Like, genuine pieces of shit. What time zone do you use to mark out daily open? Eastern. Why don't you like Topstep? It's a piece of shit, bro. Had a 5-point stop, didn't trigger. There you go. Perfect example. This happened to somebody else in my chat this morning, too. Had a stop loss. The stop loss didn't fill. Only Topstep, bro. Only a Topstep. If you want to get absolutely fucked, if you want to get raped, go buy a Topstep. I come back to my desk and account gone. Yeah, bro. Welcome to trading Topstep, bro. Piece of shit. TPT, Apex, and Alpha. Only 3, bro. Shinobi's car looking like a good Copart cop. Bro, what did you guys do to it, bro? I'm not helping when I come today either. So, you guys are on your own. I told him to wait. He didn't listen. Topstep, aka SlipX. It's true. This is true information. How are you so confident with the stops so tight? That's what we do here, bro. We use tight stops, and that's the kind of that's how we do shit. That is how we do shit. You have a Discord? Yes, the first link in the bio, bro. First link in the bio. But yeah, I mean, we had the high of day here. Also with an 8-point stop loss. So that's how all of our trades are, bro. This one's a 10-point stop loss. Wait, I gotta look at Shinobi's story, bro. What did you guys do to this car?
Giving up.
These guys are such idiots, bro. It's actually not even funny. They're so dumb. Oh my god, bro. So cooked. I can't wait to sit there and watch them struggle. How much is a 50k Apex account? Right now, I think with code Key, it should be like $30. Something like $30. Key, why you every time change the way you trade? What are you talking about, buddy? What are you talking about? I only need 200 for passing my 50k. There's no way you have to strip the entire front end to... No, you do, because they're front mount intakes. So you do have to. Dylan, you're back? You're muted, buddy. You're muted again, buddy. Enjoy. Can you trade TPT eval on news? On eval, yes. Not the funded. Eval, you could do whatever the hell you want. Are you still trading the PO3? Yeah, obviously, I'm still trading the PO3. I literally took the short last night based off of a PO3, bro. There's that 647. That 647 just got hit. I'll watch this and see what it does. Only way I'll enter this is on a confirmation, which is off like the 1 hour, right? 1 hour wick CE. I'll enter it off of that. I'm not going to take the limit, although the limit is 22.5 R. So if you guys wanted to risk it for the biscuit, pretty decent looking entry here. Hourly wick, hourly fair value gap. We have a 15-minute gap in here as well. So it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's already up 10 points. Nice. How much is 50k TPT with your code? 50k TPT with my code is $102 all in, bro. All in. Zero activation fee, nothing. Nice. 647 playing out, bro. Edged? What do you mean? It hit it. It hit it to the tick, bro. It hit 647 to the tick, no? Oh, no fucking way. It hit 646.75. Oh my god, bro. That's insane work. Show your active trade, dog. I'm not in a trade, dog. Damn, bro. No way it edged like that. Holy shit. One tick edge of doom. Oh my god. Nah, I don't think it'll play out. Usually when it does bullshit like that, it kind of bullshits around and it doesn't play out. $500 likes. Yeah, bro. Did you guys get to 500 likes yet? 382? Nah, this is moving way too slowly, bro. You guys need to do more liking. When should I go BE? You filled? You filled on it? I would go BE here. If you guys filled on this, I would go BE. I wouldn't keep this limit anymore, bro. After it edges like that, I would not keep the limit. I'll keep the level up just to watch it, but I wouldn't have a limit up here anymore after it gets edged. If you got filled, you got filled. I would go BE. I wouldn't hold this shit with the initial stop, even though it's 10 points. I'm up 5.5K unfunded, 150K with Apex. Can you tell me the process to pull a payout from the account to withdraw profits? I have to keep in the account. I would keep at least like 3K in it. The max you can request on a 150 is 2750. So that's the max you can request. So all you got to do is just go to the Apex dashboard, go to payouts, and request 2750. That's the max you could do for your first 5 payouts. So do that and then go from there. Question for you: when you're marking out the range, swing high to swing low, what time frame is your bellwether? I don't know what bellwether means. It's not like time frame specific. Usually I go like, I mean, you can usually see range high, range low on like a 15-minute, on an hour or hourly. If it's a proper swing high, swing low, you should be able to see it on anything over a 15-minute. I just wanted to say that you're one of the few traders that are transparent and legit. Saying this as a woman / mom / provider / trader. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Why wouldn't you hold? What do you mean, why wouldn't I hold? I'm not shorting this, bro. I'm not taking the short here. The limit got edged, so I would not limit up here anymore. It would have been half decent, but I wouldn't limit it. Do you think it will go to day lows? It could. I mean, this 4-hour does not have a manipulation leg here at all. Look at that. This 4-hour, no manipulation leg at all. So I wouldn't be longing here. But at the same time, the short also doesn't look that great because it's not playing out. So I'm not shorting either. I'm not shorting. I'm not longing, bro. How about that? I'm doing nothing. Takes the limit now as you short it. It just took it, but no, I wouldn't. I was taught that the range swing high is the last one before taking out the lowest swing low. The swing high is the last one that took out the lowest swing low? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I feel like maybe closer to the midnight open for sure. Nah, if this goes to midnight open, it's going to go up. It's going to go straight up. 500 likes locked in. Nah, bro. We're not even at 400 yet, bro. People are folding right now. Testimonial done. Bro, let's fucking go, OB. OB, let's go. $7.95 line in the sand for bears. No, not 7.95. Not 7.95. This 1 hour gap. If this 1 hour gap inverses to the upside, it's bullish. It's going straight up into the midnight. And then tomorrow is going to be a bullish day, which tomorrow is already going to be a bullish day. We did hit this 495 level that we had here. This was that 4 hour gap that I had. 4 hour gap. It inversed, but still went. So, yeah. 1 hour fair value gap here. This inverses is straight up. 3 likes. I'm dropping my final last code. Do you go? How quick do you go BE after entering a trade? It depends, bro. Depends. Depends on the way that price moves. E400. Are we at 400 yet? Are we at 400 likes? It's at 397, and we need 3 more likes, and Zaid's gonna drop another code. Can I join your Discord? Yeah, bro. What? Why would I stop you from joining my Discord? What are you talking about? Yeah, we do have SMT here right now, by the way, guys. ES did not push into this hourly fair value gap. It is not pushing into this hourly fair value gap. All right, there you go. There's the code. Let's see how many people can use this one, bro. EXY4TY. Let's see how many people. Coupon usage limit exceeded. No way. Who got it? No way. You are quick, bro. Whoever got that, you are quick. Holy shit. Damn, bro. That's insane. Check Discord. Where did you put it? Oh, shit, bro. He did get it. Oh my god, bro. Goated, goated. W, bro. Someone has a grabber. Nah, I don't think he's botting it, bro. There's no way. He's probably just being like quick with it. He probably had the had the Apex screen like pulled up, bro. That would be the smart thing to do, is to have it pulled up. That's not fair though. What do you mean, bro? He caught it. Like he sniped it. What do you mean? How's that not fair? What's the lowest time frame RBU to use? 15-minute for like an actual reversal. I would use a 5-minute or even a 1-minute for a confirmation entry. So like here in this case, I would only use an hourly because you got 6 minutes left. Like if I wanted to short this rejection block here, I would use it hourly. You drop a code? Nah, bro. I said I would drop one at 500, bro. I've given out like 40 codes this month. You guys gotta chill out. Wait for the next month is in 5 days, bro. It's in 5 days. Unless you get to 500 likes, then I'll drop a code. How do you use footprints? I don't know. I don't use footprints. Only 40, bro. Are you serious? Only 40 is crazy. Yeah, still SMT here. Oh my God, Dylan P's back. This is fueling my gambling addiction, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill my heart. What do you think about CISD here? Not bad, not bad. I would wait. Still have SMT here, guys. NQ inside of this hourly gap and ES is not. So we will see what it does. What levels are you looking at right now? None really. If it fails here, if it fails like this hourly gap, this 647 area where I have the level, 647 was the only level that I put out. If it fails that, then this is most likely going to go up and create a new high day. And then tomorrow, Friday, would be bullish. Apex 80% off and $85 lifetime fees. This is correct, guys. Apex is currently 80% off and $85 lifetime fees, bro. $85 activation fees for PAs. Pretty solid. They only had the $85 activation promo once before, which was like recently. Would we go back to all-time high? Most likely, yes. Most likely, yes. Having 80% off for a year now. They usually do have 80% off, but the $85 activation is recent. Based on what you're seeing with the retracement, still bullish into tomorrow TGIF? Yes, I'm absolutely 100% bullish into tomorrow for TGIF. That would be the weekly profile. If you're in longs, where would you close? I would continue holding them. I had Apex account past 2 weeks ago, but not paid the 140 activation. Yo, you're actually really smart for waiting. W, there you go. Fire. Wait, why did somebody just send me this? Who is this?
He signals when he's up 30K. Take care, bro. If you're ever in Bricklow.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Bet, bro. Say that. Say that, bro.
Somebody sent me some guy that's live on TikTok that's apparently taking my trades.
Just so you guys know, we already took the trade for the day. We're up.
What was the level that he took it at?
1K, 10K on the week.
I don't think he's taking my trades.
Call it a day there, cause
Never mind, he's calling it a day. No, it's not him. I don't think he's taking my trades. Anyways. Can you explain to me handles, points, and ticks? Handles and points is the same thing. Ticks is 4 ticks equals 1 point. How did you come to trading the strat? I created this over the course of the last year and a half. What do you call your strategy? I call it FDT. I can't tell you what the abbreviation is though. You have 3 play coming in right now in the 1 minute. I don't know, bro. I'm just watching this this 1 hour to see if ES keeps the SMT here. That's like the main thing, because if ES can't keep the SMT, then it'll obviously continue higher into this daily. I'm just watching to see how it reacts to this fair value gap. Does it reject? What the fuck it should do? You know your average RR and win rate? I'm well aware of my average RR and win rate. I have $300 and the lifetime is 380. Can you make it 300 just this time, please? I can't, bro. Unfortunately, I cannot do that. Unfortunately. Took the same level. Did he? Where? I don't know. Maybe he did. I don't know. I don't know. Was it? I think the show is over. It'll consolidate. Yeah, it might consolidate. Possible. Average RR is anywhere from 6 to 15. Usually we hover around a 10 RR average. Win rate is about also between 35 to 45% generally. This month I'm actually closer to 45% now. 40% is where I was at like earlier, but we had a really fucking solid end to the month, bro. Really solid end to the month. So about 45% win rate. Where should I start on your YouTube channel so I can read PA like you and trade like you? I would start with the 30-day mini series, which by the way, I know is not finished. It's gonna finish soon, okay? It's gonna finish soon. But I would start there. For like reading PA like me, you can literally just watch the lives. For trading like exactly like me, I don't like reveal it here on YouTube. I put it out on in my what's it called? Um in my Discord. Yeah, bro, y'all gotta lock in and like the stream, bro. I don't know what you guys are doing. Reversal here. Could be, maybe. We have SMT, so we'll see. We will see. Took the trade. No. I'm not taking this one. Longs in Asia? Yeah, longs in Asia, bro. Yes. For the one time getting a call with Powell and Shinobi for New York? No. My limit at 654. Mac didn't get filled. I mean, this one's working. The 647 is working right now. But we'll see if it continues. It's up 30 points. 30 points. Do you use rejection blocks at all? I use rejection blocks occasionally. Yeah, that's not my main way of trading. Both bearish and bullish 15-minute FVGs. Well, we're rejecting from an hourly with SMT, right? We're rejecting from an hourly with bearish SMT. So what would you give more weight to? An hourly or a 15-minute? Right? I would give a little bit more weight to the hourly, right? The 15-minute, it could absolutely still bounce. If I was to take a 15-minute long, like if I was, trying to take a long, it wouldn't be until this one though. This is the one that I would try to take long on. But this 4 hour is it does not have a manipulation leg lower, and we have an hourly fair value gap with bearish SMT. So this, I would never long this. Personally, would never long this. Don't care if it works out. Don't care if it delivers a million points from here. I would never long this. Why didn't you take the trade? The only reason I didn't take the trade is because I'm already up from our trade from up here. We had a high day in Asia, and I held that to previous day low. I'm up. So for me, the only trades I'm considering here are like A plus trades. This, the only reason I wouldn't consider this an A plus anymore, and this would be an A plus. The only reason I wouldn't consider it one is because we've already seen from the highs, right? From the highs, we've seen almost a 400 point move already. So what does price do more often than not after we see that large of a move? It consolidates. So in yesterday's trade, I explained it yesterday like multiple times. Just go to the stream, bro. The stream's there. Just go to the stream. Any re-entry point for 647? 15-minute CE if you wanted to. 15-minute Wixie, that would be the only one. Again, I'm not taking it, but it's there. What's your confluence tomorrow being potential bullish move? The weekly profile. We're in TGIF weekly profile. Holding 2 contracts from 435. First day on my TPT Pro code key. Let's fucking go, bro. Yo, that's actually fire. If you have 2 contracts from 435 on the Pro, you can request the entire thing today, gang. That's sick. Let's fucking go, bro. Hell yeah. I love that, bro. Shit is dumping, boys. Shit is dumping. If you're in the short of any sort, I would target the 4-hour low and then the current daily low that we have. That's what I would target. We still have another 15-minute fair value gap here. This needs to get inversed, obviously, for this to, continue lower. But yeah, if you're in longs, I'd be trailing pretty aggressively. If you're in 2 contracts, I'd be selling one and moving the stop loss. If you took the 647 level that I gave out, then you're currently up. I would go break even if I was you. What's better, TPT or Apex? Depends, bro. Depends. Depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Apex is better for scalability. TPT is better for payouts. If we inverse, would it be dumb to enter target low day and just close my charts? No, I don't think so. Like, this has to go lower, bro. That's what I told you guys earlier. This has to go lower. The way this 10 a.m. looks, this has to go lower. We haven't manipulated this 10 a.m. at all. What do you risk on evals? On evals, I size pretty aggressively, so that I can pass them. These evals that I have running right now, which are almost passed, by the way. These are almost passed. This one's this one's $120 from being passed. This one is $300 from being passed. These I sized literally 1 point, and I traded these from the start. I literally bought them in front of you guys. I started trading them day one in front of you guys, and I've traded, you know, till now in front of either you guys or in front of Discord. All these has been public. So once these are funded and I get to pay out, it will also all be public. As a wick of 8 points, yeah. Wick of 8 points, and it's not a significant wick of any sort, right? Just get 5 300k TPT accounts and 20 Apex 150k accounts, and you're set for life. You definitely don't need a 300k TPT accounts. I'm good with 50s, bro. The 50s are fire. The 150s are fire. The 50s, bro, $102 all in. Can't beat it, bro. You cannot beat it. You actually can't beat that. Did we hit that lower 15-minute? Nah, it's trying to bounce off this upper 15-minute gap. If you're in short, I'd be break even on this 647, guys. I'm not in it, but I'd be break even off 647. That was a fat fucking bounce. Fat ass bounce. What would be your ideal plan to make 10k a month? Ideal plan to make 10k a month would probably be I would start with TPT right now. I would start with TPT because that's probably the easiest one to make 10k a month. Have 5 TPT accounts, 50k each. So 5 TPT, 50k account, which is a total of $500 spent. I would copy trade them. Shoot to make $500 a day. Okay. Once past 52k, no trailing DD. Continue shooting for $500 a day. Let's say with an average RR of 5. Okay, with an average RR of 5. So if I'm risking $100, I'm looking to make $500 with an average RR of 5. Let's assume a 50% win rate, right? Hold on, I gotta really get critical thinking here. Hold on, fuck. So $500 a day. All right. Your loss would be, okay, so 50% win rate with a 50% win rate, and let's say 10 trades a week, right? 10 trades a week. You should be making should be up 2.5k at the end of the week. Multiply by 5 is 12.5K a week. Easy. There you go. That was mad unnecessary, bro. Oh, this thing flipped red to green. Still have SMT here somehow, some way. But flipped red to green. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna call it a day because I don't think this shit does anything. If this inverses, like I said, if this inverses the hourly gap, this is going back up to the daily high, and then we are bullish as fuck tomorrow. Got lost at 500. Oh yeah, sorry. You'd make 2K a week. There you go, which would put you at 10K a week across all 5. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off the live here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys absolutely fucking banked with me last night on that trade. If you guys wanna learn exactly the way that I trade, the way that I do this, first link in the description is my paid Discord where I have my video where I basically explain everything. I am going to be trading Asia, so I'm going to be here at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We had a nice ass trade this last Asia, so looking to get a nice ass trade this upcoming Asia as well. So I'll see you guys in Asia at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Have a good one. I'll see you guys next week. Or no, not next week, later tonight.